Hello dear friends, how are you feeling today? Are you cheerful? Today I would like to share how to propagate this rose branch. I bought this flower branch at the store and thought it was so beautiful that I decided to replant it. First, I cut off excess branches and remove leaves. I used a sharp knife to smooth out the cut, to make it easier to root. Remember to be careful when using knives. I use garlic to apply to cuts and places where I want to grow roots. Because garlic has high antiseptic properties, is easy to find, safe and popular. Apply to cuts to limit branch rot. Next I make a rooting solution from purple onions and bananas. Purple onions also have properties like garlic, so combining them with purple onions is a great duo. I use more bananas. Bananas have many vitamins, helping the rose branches have more nutrients to grow roots. Cut purple onions and bananas into small pieces so they can easily dissolve in water. After the solution is complete, take the flower branch and soak it in the solution for 5 minutes. Use clean sand to plant rose branches. Because the sand is well ventilated and well drained, branch rot is limited. After planting in sand, use rooting solution to water more. Use plastic bags to cover both the pot and the flower branches to limit water loss to the flower branches. Keep the pot in a cool place and limit direct sunlight. After 7 days, I opened the plastic bag to check. The roots have grown a lot and the flower branches are still green. I prepare a larger pot to plant, to help the plant grow better and the flowers will bloom more. When planting, you should compact it tightly to stabilize the tree. Remember to water after planting. Recently I shared how to propagate rose branches into brilliant rose plants. If you find the video interesting and useful, please give me a like button and subscribe to my channel.